Good morning students. Today we are going to carry out the following subtraction involving rational numbers. The first sum 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. If you can see that both the denominators are different. So we are going to equalize the denominator. So in this case we are going to multiply 7 with numerator and denominator. Same way 11 to be multiplied with numerator and denominator. Here 7 into 7, 11 into 7, minus 3 into 11 and minus 7 into 11. So 7 sevens are 49, 11 sevens are 77, minus 33 upon 77. So it comes up to 49 minus 33 upon 77. So it is 9 minus 3, 6, 4 minus 3, 1, 16 upon 77. Sum 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40. In this, first we'll reduce this fraction, that is 2 upon 40. We are dividing the numerator and the denominator with 2. So it will be 1 upon 20. So the new one is 13 upon 36 minus 1 upon 20. 36 and 20 have taken the LCM over here. It is 2, 2, 9 and 5. That comes up to 180. So 13 upon 36, 36 into 5, we get it 180. Same way I'm multiplying 5 with 13. So it comes up to 65. The same way for the second fraction, 20 into 9, that is 180. And 9 into 1, that is 9. So the new fraction will be 65 upon 180 minus 9 upon 180. 65 minus 9 upon 180 is 56 upon 180. Again here we can see both the numbers can be equally divided by 4. So 14 into 4, 56. 4 into 5, 45, that is 180. What's common? 4, 4. We'll remove that. So what's left? 14 upon 45. Now we are going to do the fourth sum. It is 4, 1 upon 2 minus 3, 1 upon 2. It's in a mixed fraction. So how's the procedure? We multiply the denominator with the whole number, then plus with the numerator. So it is 4 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1 upon 3. So it is 8 plus 1 upon 2 minus 9 plus 1 upon 3. So 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2 minus 10 upon 3. Now here the denominator is not same. So we are going to cross multiply. So with 3 we are going to multiply with 9 the numerator and 2 with denominator. And in the same way with 2 the denominator going to be multiplied with 10 the numerator and 3 the denominator. Is done over here. You can check that. 9 into 3, 2 into 3 and 2 into 10 and 3 into 2. So it is 9 3s are 27 upon 6 minus 20 upon 6. Now the denominator is same. So 27 minus 20 upon 6. 27 minus 20, it comes up to 7 upon 6. Now we are going to start with the third session. Multiply the following rational numbers. If you see in the session 1 and 2, it was addition and subtraction where you need to equalize the denominator. In this case, you don't have to do that. You can directly do the multiplication part. So 3 into 2, 11 into 5. So it's come up to 6 upon 55. Now we are going to solve the third sum. In this case, it is minus 8 upon 9 into 3 upon 4. Here you can do one thing. 3 upon 4. In this case, 9 and 3 goes in the 3's table. So the 3 ones are 3 and 3 3's are. In the same way 4 also 4 ones are and 2's are. So it is minus 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 1. So it will be minus 2 into 1 upon 3 into 1. So it comes up to minus 2 upon 3. Third session, fourth sum is 0 upon 6 into 3 upon 4. One thing, whatever multiplied by 0, it is 0. And whatever divided by 0, it is 0. So here 0 into 3 upon 6 into 4. So 0 into 3 is again 0 And 6 into 4, 24. 0 upon 24. 0 divided by 24 is again 0. So answer is 0. The fourth session, write the multiplicative inverse. Here the first sum is given is 2 upon 5. So in this case we are going to write it in a reciprocal manner. So it is reverse, 5 upon 2. This third sum, minus 17 upon 39. The reciprocal will come as minus 39 upon 17. Here in the fourth case, they are given only just 7. So the reciprocal will be 1 upon 7. Minus 7, 1 upon 3. Here we have to multiply 7 into 3 plus 1. So 7 into 3 plus 1, it comes up to minus 22 upon 3. Now into reciprocal format, it is minus 3 upon 22. In the fifth session, carry out the division of rational numbers. The first sum is 40 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 4. In this case, we will do the reciprocal of 10 upon 4. That is, it will be 4 upon 10. So it will be 40 upon 12 into 4 upon 10. When we do the reciprocal, the division sign changes to multiply. So now 40 upon 12 into 4 upon 10. In this we do the cross multiplication. We will try to simplify more. So here 40 and 10, 0 cut. And now this 4 upon 12, it goes in 3's table. 4 3s are 12. So it is 4 into 1, 3 into 1. That comes to 4 upon 3. In the fifth session, we are going to do the fourth sum, that is 2 upon 3 divided by minus 4. So first we will convert this into the reciprocal format. So it is 2 upon 3 into minus 1 upon 4. In this what we do? 2 upon 3 into minus 1 upon 4. 2 and 4, 1, 2. So it will be 1 into minus 1, 3 into 2. So it will be minus 1 upon 6. Fifth sum, here this sum is in a mixed fraction, so we'll convert it. So it is 2 into 5 plus 1 upon 5, 5 into 6 plus 3 upon 6. So 2 5s are 10 plus 11, 11 upon 5 divided by 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 3, 33 upon 6. Now it is in a divide, so we are going to reciprocal it. So it is 11 upon 5 and 6 upon 33. In this case, 11 upon 5 into 6 upon 33. What will do? 11 and 33. 11 ones are 11, 11 threes are 33. And here 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are. So it will be 1 into 2, 2 upon 5. The eighth sum, it is 5 divided by 2 upon 5. So it will be 5 into 5 upon 2. So it will be 5 into 5 upon 2. So 25 upon 2.